In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the Google Gemini 2.0 API key. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. So first things first, if you're looking to access the capabilities of Google's Gemini 2.0, you'll need to obtain an API key. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. The first step is to go to your favorite web browser and search for Google AI Studio. You can simply type in Google AI Studio in your search bar and hit enter. This platform is where all the magic happens regarding Google's AI tools, including Gemini. Once you've done that, look for the link that leads you to the Google AI Studio homepage. You'll recognize it when you see it on your search results. Click on that link, and it will take you directly to the Google AI Studio dashboard. Now that you're on the homepage of Google AI Studio, your next move is to find the option to obtain the API key. To do this, look for a button that typically has a key symbol on it. Yes, you're on the right track. Click on that button that allows you to get the API key, and you may be redirected to a new page with further options. When you are on this new page, search for the button that says Create API Key. Click on that, and this is where the process starts to get exciting. You will see a prompt asking you to name your new API key. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's go ahead and name your key OG Tutorial. Of course, you can give it any name you prefer, but make sure it's something memorable for your future reference. Once you've entered your chosen name, the next step is to click on the Create Key button. This should be pretty straightforward. After you click that, Google will generate your API key. Now it's time for an important step. You'll need to copy your API key. Look for a copy icon or a button that says Copy Key. Clicking on this will copy the API key to your clipboard. Make sure you do this because you'll need this code for your future projects or applications. After you've copied it, you should also take a moment to close the pop-up Details window that displays your API key. There's usually a Close button located somewhere in that window, so click on it to remove that window from your screen. Voila! You now have the Google Gemini 2.0 API key safely tucked away and ready for you to use. Just a quick recap. You searched for Google AI Studio, clicked your way to the API key area, created your key, named it, and then copied it. You're now equipped with everything you need to start using Google's powerful gem in your applications. I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful. If you have any questions or need any further assistance, don't hesitate to drop your comments below. Also, if you enjoyed the content, please remember to like this video and consider subscribing for more tips and guide videos like this one. There's a lot more to explore, so stay tuned for more. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video.